Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve a search problem in Outlook. So if for example you are using Outlook and you want to search for an email or search for an attachment, the first problem I see here is, first of all, I cannot kind of choose to search for search for an email that has an attachment, or for search for an email like for this week, or search with subject, or probably from someone. So, and also maybe the search, we are searching for an email, the search is very, very slow, and you are receiving an error message. So what you need to do is this: you just go to File, and here I have options. So under the Outlook options, click on Search. Here you have the index options. So click on that. So first of all, we need to modify. Click on Modify. And here, as you can see, Outlook is not selected among the change selected location. So you need to select Outlook. That is one, and click OK. Secondly, if your search is very slow in Outlook, what you need to do is this: you click Advanced, and click Yes, because it's going to use admin privilege. So here you have to click Rebuild. So what rebuild do is delete and rebuild your index, because you know when you search in Outlook, it's going to kind of go through your index and going to search all your emails or your current mailbox or all Outlook items. So just click Rebuild, and rebuilding the index may take a long time to complete. Well, I don't have a lot of mail, so it's not going to take a long time. Just click OK, and then click Close. So the items have been indexed. Okay, let's just wait a little minute, and then click Closed. So click OK. And so what you actually need to do is to close Outlook, because if I go to search, you see it's still actually gray out. So just close Outlook, and then open Outlook again. So right now, when I click on search, as you can see, I have the option to choose from, or has an attachment. I also have different options to choose, like from today, this week, and that. So that's how you actually solve Outlook problem when everything here is gray out, or when Outlook is very, very slow. So thank you very much for watching my video, and please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to give me a like or leave a comment. And please, if you have any question regarding Office 365, so don't forget, you can also send me an email. Thank you very much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more IT related video. Goodbye.